Hello, hello, Arty friends. Here is a highlight from our live stream. Enjoy.
Well, I'm fixing to blow your mind here in a minute.
Just wait.
Just wait. Okay. Low contrast. Lovely background. I could even do this over the top of this and it'd still be wonderful. And same thing, low contrast. This is kind of medium. I could still do stuff on top of this and it wouldn't fight. Right?
Like this?
And I gotta tell you, you see this? This is one of our first stencils.
Yeah, that's before we knew some things.
And I've just kept it. It's so irritating, and every time I use it, I'm mad.
But you've used it a lot. I'll tell you. If you look back at some prints, I mean, she likes this one.
I do like
it.
This one.
It just doesn't work very well as like.
Well, and when you pull it off the plate, you have to wrestle it a bit because it don't want to come.
And be prepared that some may be staying behind.
Yeah, and you can see that it's been well used because it's got a layer of paint on there that.
Yeah, and I think that's even Mylar.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it is because this is one of the first ones that we did.
People are walking across the path. How dare they walk by the house?
Go get those zombies, Mazzy.
Fran would like one. I probably still have the file for that, Fran. I'll send it to you if you want. Good luck.
Now, you can see how this works here? See the pattern in the background?
All right, Gail. That's totally fine.
All right. Now, I think I'm finished with this pile, so I can put this over.
Hope you enjoyed the highlight. For the full-length replay, click this end screen. Be sure to sub and ring the bell to be notified every time we go live.